last side we're going to do together, it says what are the sizes of the intervals, and we're looking at a histogram. This histogram is titled Threatened Species of Mammals in Europe. If you'll notice, we have different intervals of 0 to 4, 5 to 9, 10 to 14, 15 to 19, and 20 to 24. On this left side of the graph, it says the number of countries those mammals live in. What is an interval? Remember, the interval is the values in each set. So my interval here is 0 to 4, meaning the numbers listed are 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. That means I have a total of 5 numbers in each interval. Now, the question number 4 says, how many countries have 9 or fewer threatened species? We're going to look here and we're going to say 9 or fewer. So here's the number 9. We're looking to see which one has 9 or fewer. I'm going to go ahead and say this one has 7. This has 19. This one has 10. 5, and 1. How many of these countries have 9 or fewer? I would say 7, 5, and 1 work for the numbers 0 through 4, 10 through 14, 15 through 19, and 24 through 26. I made a mistake. I should not have circled 10 through 14. I should not have circled 10 through 14. We have to make sure that we're looking at the correct part. This question says how many countries. I want to look at this part. 9 or fewer, there's 19 here and 7 here. So we're going to do 19 plus 7, and that gives me a total of 26. For the last one, which interval contains the median number of endangered species? This one is extremely tough. Let's work through it together. Looking at this graph, if I say 7 plus 19 plus 10 plus 5 plus 1, that gives me a total of 42. 42 is a hard number because it's even. That means there's 21 on each side. I would have a median that's going to be split here. Looking at this graph, if I were to go in order, there's 7 numbers here, and 21 minus 7 leaves me with 14. If I go 14 numbers in, I'm going to be in the 5 through 9 range. That means my median is somewhere between the 5 through 9. Number 6 asks, can you tell from the histogram whether any of the countries have 0 threatened species? If you'll notice, because it's not specific in our information, we can not or no because we don't know any specifics. We don't know specifics of what is each interval. What I'm saying here is even though there's 7 countries with 0 to 4 endangered animals, I don't know how many have 0, how many have 1, how many have 2, 3, or 4. It's because this graph is not specific enough for me to answer that question.